You think they call the annual Saran Wrap convention Sarandemonium?
I have no idea.
Or I bet they do.
Great.
Hey. I'm sorry. Okay?
It was really irresponsible what you did.
I know. But look, we've been through this before. We'll go to Jeff's, make up some bullshit story. You can start crying a little bit, and then he'll give us a few more weeks and it'll be fine.
We've been through this before, Kirsten, because of you. That's the problem.
Katie, why are we always just pointing the finger?
Are you gonna get the money this time?
Oh my God, don't wet your dipes, Gramps. I'll get it.
Sure you will.
What'd you just say?
Look, Kirsten.
Oh my God, do you smell that?
What?
What is that smell?
I don't.
It smells like piss in here.
It does not smell like piss in my car, Kirsten. Anyway.
No, seriously, it smells like straight up cat piss in here.
The thing is, I wanted to wait to tell you about this, but I might as well just tell you now. I put an ad on Craigslist. I'm looking for a subletter.
Why?
Because maybe I'm too old to be buying time for my landlord. Maybe I don't want to wash every single dish in the sink. Maybe I don't want to waste my Saturday cleaning the bathroom. Maybe I'm sick of...
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, so where are you gonna go?
Cameron's, probably.
Cameron's. Cool.
Yeah. Cool.
This might come as a shock. Please, don't hurt me anymore!
Now!
Please, I'm in grave danger here. We all are. But if you get me off the street, I can explain everything.
I'm calling the cops.
No, please, you have to help me.
Come on, Katie, he looks kind of pathetic.
The blonde is right. I do look pathetic. But if you get me off the street, I can explain everything.
Give me one reason why I should help you with anything.
I have a lot of money.
I am going to get a hot dog. No, corn dog.
God, I feel like I haven't eaten in days.
I know, right?
You have under a minute to convince me not to call the cops.
Very well. But what I'm about to tell you, please note, may severely affect your lives.
That's probably not true, but please continue.
My name is Michael Dooley, and I am an eco-terrorist.
Oh my God, are you serious?
I know, right?
You're a what?
An eco-terrorist. The green expert in an elite, clandestine eco-terrorist cell whose sole mission is exposing corporations whose actions, negligent or otherwise, adversely affect the environment.
Your usual, Mr. Dooley.
There is clearly tomato juice on this plate. Yes, take it back. And bring another waiter. Last night, our cell, known as Empath, environmentally motivated property vandalizers went on a secret and covert operation to attain or acquire the endangered bald eagle species.
What happened to the rest of your team?
Most were arrested. It was Paul, our newest member, Greenhorn. Let's just say Paul couldn't handle it.
Well, then what happened?
Well, I escaped, unscathed, eagle in hand. I stuck to the shadows and I sprinted 18 blocks to your neighborhood where I fell asleep in your car.
You didn't lock the car?
Katie, I forgot, okay?
Yeah, this is exactly what I'm talking about.
No.
I swear.
Hey,
Okay, God! Huh? Can we just put the pause button on your ongoing saga for 1 second? There are greater things at risk here than your petty little troubles. At this moment, my team, green with envy, is ratting me out to the authorities, which leaves me with one option and one option only. I must get that bird to the river and I must set him free. Now, will you help me or will you not?
Absolutely, yes, yes.
Pay us.
What?
Pay us money to do it.
Fine.
Let's do this. Here are the directions to the drop-off point.
I know how to get to the river. It's enormous.
Okay, well, let's just keep our heads together and let's get this done.
Listen, Katie, I know I've really fucked up.
It's not
but
that you've fucked up. It's that you've continuously fucked up. To the point where it affects me.
Okay, ladies, can we just focus on the task at hand, please?
No, turtleneck. This is important.
No, you know what? He's right. Let's put this aside until we save his precious little eagle. His bald eagle, and taking it to the river to set it. You know which? The river is actually extremely polluted, so I really don't understand your logic on... What? There's a cop behind us.
Proceed as normal.
It's okay, we're not doing anything wrong.
Just know that I will kill myself if I have to. And it'll be on your shoulders, so don't fuck this up.
Yeah.
Did you replace the state inspection stickers like you said you did?
Yeah.
Hey, Mom. It's me. I'm in jail. Oh, yeah, no, I'm okay. No, I just decided to help out this eco-activist.
Eco-terrorist?
Eco-terrorist who offered us part of the rent that my roommate couldn't cover again. So I'm in jail.
Oh, hi, Mom. I'm in prison too, but that's okay because I decided to go on an adventure, seeing as I'm tired of living my life the same way every single day.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Katie's here too, but she regrets everything, of course, because she's forgotten how to be young and adventurous.
Just hold on a second. I'm sorry, Mom. What was that? I couldn't hear you because Kirsten was busy making excuses for her lack of responsibility.
No, Mom, I know it was stupid, but I'd rather spend the rest of my days in prison rather than facing the dismal fact of living a life without happiness or joy. But if you'd like to talk to someone who's completely versed in that, you can ask her yourself.
Hey, Mallory! Oh, yeah, don't worry. Oh, your reckless daughter will be just fine. She'll even have more structure in her life now because she'll be living off the state instead of leeching off of me!
Okay.
Ma'am, roll down the window.
You think I'm leeching off of you?
Yes. It's like living with a child. Grow up!
Ma'am, please open the door.
Speak for yourself.
Myself. Oh, I grew up a long time ago.
No, Katie, you just grew old.
Bitch.
Dinosaur.
I know! The fucking door!
Man, I can't believe you did that today. Yeah, I'm pretty hardcore. Yeah, you are. I'm glad we did this today. Me too.
Okay, little fella. After all this trouble, fly free, my friend. Fly free.
It's dead, isn't it?
Yeah. It's dead.
Hello, ladies.
You're badass.
All right.
Ah, no!
Unrecord.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, God. What is it?